Hello student, this is Dhanasri Chaugle. Welcome back to my channel Ganga Education. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss previous year questions of Indian Contract Act 1872 asked in LLB examination by Mumbai University. Firstly, we will see what questions have been asked upon indemnity. 2 marks question, that is we have to write answers in 2 sentences. First question, define indemnity. This question has been asked for 3 times. Next, who is indemnifier and indemnity holder? Next, Indian law and English law with regard to contract of indemnity. Next, short notes for 5 marks. First, indemnifier. Next, explain various kinds of special contracts under Indian Contract Act 1872. Next, rights and duties of the indemnifier. Next, rights of indemnity holder. Next, contract of indemnity. Next question is asked for 12 marks. Discuss contract of indemnity and rights and duties of indemnity holder. Now we will go through the questions upon a contract of guarantee. Questions for 2 marks. First, who is principal debtor? These questions have been asked for 2 times. Next, discharge of surety. Next, consideration in contract of guarantee. This is also important question and asked for 3 times. Next, meaning of gratuitous bailment. This question is also asked for 2 times. What is a continuing guarantee? Next, state specific guarantee and state whether it is revocable. Next, what types of agreement is involved between principal debtor and surety in a contract of guarantee? Next type of question is for 5 marks. First, indemnity and guarantee. It is very important question and asked for 5 times. Next, discharge of surety, asked for 2 times. Next, rights of surety, and next, revocation of guarantee. Next type of question asked for 12 marks. First, indemnity and guarantee for 3 times. Next, what is legal and moral duty and responsibility of the surety? Narrates various circumstances under which the surety is discharged from his liability. Next, liability of surety is coextensive with that of principal debtor unless it is otherwise provided by the contract. Next, right of surety against principal debtor and creditor and co-surety. Next type of special contract is bailment. The question upon bailment for 2 marks. First, effect of mixture of goods without bailor's consent. Next, define bailment. That is very important and asked for 5 times. Next, when can a finder of goods exercise a particular lien? Next type of question for 5 marks. First, position of finder of goods. Next, duties of bailee. Next, right of lien exercised by bailee. Next type of question for 12 marks. First, define bailment. Explain kinds of bailment and various rights and duties of the bailor and bailee. This question is very important and asked for 6 times. Next, rights and duties of the bailee. Next type of special contract is pledged, and the question upon pledged for 2 marks. First, define pawn. Next, define pledge. Next, 2 rights of pledgee. Next, distinction between hypothecation and pledge for 2 times. Next, pawning. Next type of question is for 5 marks. First, pledge and bailment asked for 2 times. Next, pledge as a special kind of bailment. Next, rights of pledgee. Next type of question is for 12 marks, that is pledge and bailment. Next type of special contract is agency, and it is very important. 2 marks questions. First, who is a Del Creditor agent asked for 3 times. Next, type of agents. Next, minor as agent or as principal. Next, agent's authority in emergency. Next, who is substituted agent asked for 2 times. Next, what is substituted agency? Next, who is sub-agent? Next, what is conclusive test of agency? Next, define agency. Next, define the term agent. Next, who is undisclosed the principal? Next, agency by ratification asked for 2 times. Next, explain universal agent. Next, why Del Creditor agent is paid extra commission. Next, commission agent. Next type of question asked for 5 marks. First, agent's authority in emergency. Next, agency by ratification. Next, QE facit per alium, facit per se asked for 3 times. Next, extent of agent's authority. Next type of question asked for 12 marks. First, explain the concept of agency. Discuss in detail the modes of creation and termination of agency. This question is very important and asked for 7 times. Next, define agency and discuss in detail various kinds of agency and functions of different types of agents. That's all about the questions of Contract Act. In next lecture, we will discuss previous year question paper of Sale of Goods Act. Till that, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.